Hello world, I am Muhammad Omar, and here's Payify, my final project for CS50X Introduction to Computer Science. Payify is a money transfer service that you can transfer money to any user on Payify by his email address. But still on beta, you can't deposit or transfer real money yet, but you will get $5,000 bonus when you sign up, so you can try our site functionality. Let's see this in action. First, here's the homepage, so let's sign up. There's a lot of fancy JavaScript for error checking here. And there's a fancy feature for passwords matching. And sign up. Now I will get a welcome email and register it. Here is my actual balance, and here are my recent transactions, and here are all of my transactions. To see the transactions list in action, I will go to an account I created in advance. And here's my recent 5 transactions, and here's all of my transactions. And let's transfer some money. I will send the money to the account on the right side. Are you sure to send? Yes, send. And the money transferred successfully. As you see here, I received the $1,000 I sent, and if I clicked on the transaction, I will go to the payment details. And the actual money I received is $990 after Payify 1% transaction fee. When you make any payment, Payify will send a mail contains the payment details to the sender and the receiver. And here are the emails that I got for the sender and the receiver. In Payify, you can change your email, your name, and your password from the setting here.